been a long time. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Glenn, and today we're going to be reviewing the Desio Desert Dream contact lenses, which change my natural eye colour from this to this. Okay guys, now let me start off by saying that I just want to apologise that I haven't uploaded a video in almost a month now. I do apologise, I've been busy sorting out my t-shirt store and just felt like I needed a few weeks off doing YouTube, so now I'm back, I'm better than ever. Like I said, we're reviewing the Desio Desert Dream contact lenses. Now this is the first time I've put these contact lenses in and I'm actually really happy with the results of these. These remind me a lot of the forest green lenses. The only difference is that these ones are a bit more natural looking and a bit more subtle, shall I say, compared to the forest green ones. Those ones are really vibrant and really make your eyes stand out. If you want to go and check out that video, I will leave that link in the description below. Anyways, so I popped these contact lenses in. Now these are a 3-month lens and I purchased them from DesioLens.com. If you want, you can go over, check them out. They do toric lenses, plano lenses, and they do prescription lenses. Now these contact lenses are very subtle and very natural looking. They completely change my natural blue eyes to these very subtle light green eyes. It's kind of like a limey green, I think, anyways, and I'm really happy with the results. This is how the lens looks compared to my natural eye colour. It has the dark limbo ring around the outside of the lens, and then it has the lime kind of green covering the iris. These lenses do have a slightly bigger pupil hole than the likes of Solotica lenses. These ones blend like into your natural eye colour, so the closer it gets to your pupil, you will have a slight little bleed through of your natural colour, depending on how like dilated your pupil is and how the weather is outside. It's just going to depend how that is. Now I will say that the Desio lenses, they are one of the most comfortable contact lenses that you can wear. I usually wear mine for about 8 hours and I never feel like there's any comfort change whatsoever. They keep my eyes nice and wet so they don't dry out, and I don't have to use contact lens drops, which is excellent because I get really annoyed when I can't wear my contact lenses for more than like 5 hours because it gets too dry and I need to take them out. Now this is how the lenses look close up on both of my eyes. Like I said, very natural looking. You may see a little bit of my natural eye colour behind the lenses. Like I said, that's because they do have a bigger pupil hole. But all in all, I will say that I really do like these contact lenses. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you like these contact lenses? Are you gonna try these contact lenses? Please let me know, as I always like to hear what you guys think. Don't forget to go over and follow all my other social media links. They will all be in the description below. My Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, all that good stuff. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on this video, as it really does help. And I think that's everything for today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.